What's going on, guys? Bruce here with Bullish Currency, back at you with another Kishu Inu update, guys. We did it. 250,000 holders. We finally made it, guys. And like many others that got to this point, right, where the army was this strong, the listings start to roll in. And look, I think whatever happens to Shiba, definitely, I think in some way or form affects the rest of the meme coins like Kishu. And the good thing is that Shiba has great plans. They're doing all the right things. They're giving out the right blueprint for everybody else to follow. And the good news that we got on Shiba was they're going to double their burn rate in the next 60 days. So I think we're going to exciting times for 2022 with Shiba. And I think Kishu and all the other ones are going to follow. And before we get into the good news, the bad news, and everything else, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because I said so. And as always, guys, the information I share here is strictly entertainment education purposes only. It is not financial advice, but you can do whatever you want. All right. Do your own due diligence. We're just sharing what we think is going on in these crazy crypto spaces. But of course, there's profits to be made. So let's get right into it. So here we go. Kishu Inu. Green, 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 green. Everything's green, but not too green, not too crazy, but at least it's green. Right. There's not much news going on in the project side. We just know that what we know, right? They're getting into NFTs, gaming, all the right things. They're following the right footsteps. They're doing the right things. They're doing charity, right? We know the army's strong and we know the army is growing. And if we check on the holders, guys, look at that. We were so close yesterday and boom, we're here now. 250,107 holders. 250,000 holders now. Guys, this is looking good for Shiba, especially because of where price is at right now in the chart. It is a typical 70-80% retracement. It is holding strong at this critical area, critical level. We're gonna get into the chart analysis right now, but I just wanted to show you that, guys. Look at that. We've been talking about that for some time now, and we're finally at a 250,000. Let's go. All right, here we go. Kishu Inu. All right, so the chart is completely erased for a reason. I'll just do it for you with you guys right now. Here we go. Quickly. It's easy. We're just going to mark up a couple of key levels that I see that are important. And then, we're just going to go ahead and get right into what I think is going to happen next on this chart. All right, so this is where we are right now. And if we look at the fib retracement, we can go from that low to that high. And we will see that we are right here around the 786 area. But if we actually go from this low to this high, it's actually just in the same exact area almost, right? Just a little bit below that 786 area. So this is very typical, right? We have these big retracements in crypto, and then we got to go sideways for a little while, and then we go ahead and make another big move, so on and so forth. But I think returning to its previous all-time high is for sure going to happen. And from where we are right now, that is still very significant, crazy gains that we're going to see. And the way this is respecting right here, guys, I do believe that we can potentially start to form a bullish pattern that I absolutely love. And that would be great to form that pattern right here where we are right now. That'd be great. If only I was able to look at this with my system that I developed. Unfortunately, I can't put the system on CoinTrader. But let me see if I can. Let me see if they have Kishu on just regular trading view. They might actually have Kishu. Kishu Inu. We have Kishu USDT. Let's see. What price does it say over there? 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. I'm sure you're confused right now. Because you don't see what I'm seeing on my screen right now. I'm just trying to figure this out. Yeah, so it definitely works on my system, but I don't like it with USDT. So yeah, we'll just look at it from here. Yeah, so this is a fresh chart right here, marked up. We're in the same area, and I do believe we can hold here and start to see some bullish movement within the next, basically within the next couple of days. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes back up here and starts to form this bullish pattern. That's at least what I would like to see, right? Of course, we want to see this thing start to go bullish right now, right? But it's not out of the realm of possibility that this thing, wants to drop back down to that level. We got quite a few levels in this area in general that it can definitely come back down or retest. Yeah, we got quite a few levels in that whole area right there. So yeah, I mean, that's what I see. I see it respecting, and it's been respecting for like maybe about 5-6 candles that touched and rejected. So we can get a nice bullish engulfing candle here. That'd be great. That's what I would want to see in this next daily candle close. But as of right now, guys, we're just right here in the same spot. So I have to wait for it to tell me what it's going to tell me. It's either going to break to go down to the next levels, or it's going to respect, turn around, and start to form that bullish pattern that I love, to give us more indication that we're probably really going to start pushing back up, especially at least back up to this level here. And if we break through this level, then it's on and popping. All right. That's when we are getting ready to make that moonshot, as we always say here. Moonshot is what we want right now with Kishu. But I have a good feeling about all these coins, guys. I mean, the holders are still growing. It's crazy. Despite bear market and all that stuff, people are piling on. They're believing in the project. And the army is growing stronger and stronger and stronger. So I see nothing but good things happening for Kishu, guys. I'm still bullish with it. I have no reason to be thinking any other way at all right now about Kishu, because honestly, look at this, guys. I'm just excited. We made it over 250,000 holders strong, guys. All right. So Kishu Inu to the moon. We just need those listings to start happening. And I don't think that's going to happen until maybe after the holidays. I was hoping that something would happen before holidays, just because of the holiday spirit and the good energy out there. Maybe would make one of these guys decide to, list it. But we do have other exchanges, of course, that have listed it. Maybe not as popular, but the popular ones are going to start coming on board very soon. I just kind of have this great feeling about this project, guys. So that's pretty much it for today's Kishu Inu video update. Until the next one, guys, stay blessed and stay